Here, the machinery ensures every slice of durian meets the exact specifications before moving down the line. In this final drying zone, the durian slices achieve their optimal moisture level before moving to exit.
As the durian exits the dryer, powerful cooling fans rapidly stabilize the texture.
The cooling fans are essential to stabilize the texture of the dried durian before the robotic arms can safely handle the product.
The texture is critical here. It needs that perfect balance of crispness and chewiness for the Asian market.
The multi-head weigher meticulously measures the golden durian, swiftly dropping the portions into the VFS machine. With precise timing and pressure, the machinery seals thousands of packages an hour, ensuring freshness and efficiency.
The robotic arms optimize the packaging process, grouping items with pinpoint accuracy before transferring them to the high-speed boxing stations.
The highly efficient carton erector swiftly transforms flat-pack cardboard into precise packaging for our premium dried durian.
The automated system ensures a precise fill weight for every carton of premium dried durian, maximizing efficiency. The robotic palletizer handles the delicate durian cartons with unparalleled precision, a testament to modern engineering.